Remittance of EWT refers to the monthly remittance return for expanded withholding tax, EWT. It is filed by withholding agents including businesses, government agencies, and individuals, who are required to withhold and remit taxes on certain types of payments. These payments may include professional fees, rental payment, payments to contractors or suppliers, commissions, and other income that is subject to EWT under BIR regulations. To generate the BIR form for EWT remittance in AutoCount accounting, go to the Tax module. Select BIR. Choose Remittance of EWT. Set your filter options. Click Inquiry to generate the form. This will show you the amount details of taxes withheld, net amount of remittance, and the amount remitted. Finally, click Save to complete the process.